Hello, my friend, and welcome. Welcome back to English with Grandpa Joe. I am so happy to see you today. Come in, come in. Sit down with me for a little while. Are you ready? Today is a lovely day. The sun is out. The sky is blue. It is a good day to go outside. Today, you and we go to the market. Yes, the market. A market is a place where we buy food. We buy fruit. We buy vegetables. We buy bread. It is a happy place. Take a deep breath with me now. In and out. Good. Now take my hand. Let us walk slowly. We are not in a hurry. We have time. We always have time here. Let us go to the market together. First, I take my basket. My basket is old. My basket is brown. I like my basket very much. I put it on my arm, like this. Now I am ready. We walk down the street, step by step, slowly. The street is quiet. A little bird sings in a tree. Can you hear it? Tweet, tweet. I smile. I feel happy. The market is near my home. It is not far. We walk, and soon we are there. I can see the market now. I can see many colors. I can see red and green and yellow. So many colors. The market is full of good things. There are people here too. Some people carry bags. Some people carry baskets like me. Everyone is happy. Everyone is calm. A market is a friendly place. People say hello. People smile. Let us go in. Let us look at everything, slowly and calmly. Look. Look at all the fruit. There are apples, red apples, green apples. They look fresh and sweet. There are oranges too, big, round oranges. And there are yellow bananas. They look good. I want some apples today. I like apples very much. An apple is good for me. An apple is sweet and crunchy. I walk to the fruit stall. A kind lady stands there. She has a worn smile. She says, "Good morning." I say, "Good morning to you." She says, "How are you today?" I say, "I am very well, thank you. And you?" She says, "I am well too." It is nice to be kind. It is nice to say hello. A little hello makes people happy. A little smile makes the day bright. When we go shopping, we can be kind. We can say, "Good morning." We can say, "How are you?" These small words are like little gifts. They cost nothing, but they mean so much. Now I look at the apples again. I point to them. I say, "How much is this?" This is a very useful question, my friend. How much is this? It means, what is the price? The lady says, "The apples are 1 pound each." I say, "Oh, that is good." I say, "I would like 4 apples, please." Please. Please is a kind word. We say please when we ask for something. The lady takes 4 apples. She puts them in a bag. She gives the bag to me. I put the apples in my basket. 4 red apples. I am happy. I say, "Thank you very much." She says, "You are welcome." Kind words feel warm, don't they? Next, I want some tomatoes. Tomatoes are red. Tomatoes are round and soft. I like tomatoes in my salad. I walk to the next stall. There are many, many tomatoes, big ones and small ones. I look at them. They are fresh. A man stands at this stall. He wears a green apron. He says, "Hello, can I help you?" I say, "Yes, please. I would like some tomatoes." He says, "How many would you like?" I think for a moment. I say, "6 tomatoes, please." He picks 6 good tomatoes. He is careful. He does not want to drop them. He puts them in a bag, soft and slow. He says, "Here you are." I say, "Thank you." The tomatoes look so fresh and red. They will be lovely in my dinner tonight. I like to eat good, fresh food. Fresh food from the market is the best. The man says, "Have a nice day, sir." I say, "You too." I ask the man, "How much is this?" There it is again, our useful question. How much is this? The man says, "The tomatoes are 2 pounds. I open my bag, I take out my money. I counted slowly. 1 pound, 2 pounds. I give the money to the man. I say, "Here you are." He takes the money. He says, "Thank you, sir." I put the tomatoes in my basket next to my apples. Now I have red apples and red tomatoes. My basket is filling up. It feels good to buy fresh food. It feels good to be here, in the sun, with kind people all around me. This is a happy little morning. Now I need one more thing. I need bread. Fresh bread. Warm bread. I love the smell of fresh bread. Can you smell it? It smells wonderful. There is a bread stall in the corner. I walk to it, slowly. I see many loaves of bread, big loaves and small loaves, brown bread and white bread. A young girl works at the bread stall. She is very kind. She says, "Good morning. Would you like some bread?" I say, "Yes, please. I would like 1 loaf of bread." She asks, "Brown or white?" I say, "Brown bread, please. Brown bread is my favorite." She smiles and picks a fresh, warm loaf for me. The bread is soft. The bread is warm from the oven. I hold it close and I smell it. There is nothing like fresh bread. It makes me think of home. It makes me feel happy inside. The girl wraps the bread in paper. She says, "That is 1 pound 50, please." I say, "Of course." I take out my money again. I count slowly, 1 pound and 50. I give it to her. I say, "Here you are. Thank you very much." She says, "Thank you. Have a lovely day." I say, "You too. Goodbye." Goodbye is a kind word when we leave. I put the warm bread in my basket. Now my basket is full. I have apples, I have tomatoes, I have bread. I have everything I need. My heart is happy. I turn and I walk home slowly, with my full basket on my arm and a smile on my face. The sun is still shining. The little bird still sings in the tree. What a lovely morning it has been. I did my shopping. I met kind people, and I said my kind words. Going to the market is a small thing, but it makes me very happy. Now, my friend, let us say some words together. This is my favorite part. Listen to me first, then say it after me, slowly. Are you ready? Say, how much is this? Very good. Again, how much is this? Wonderful. Now say, yes, please. Lovely. Now say, thank you very much. Oh, that is very nice. One more. Say, here you are. Perfect. You are doing so well. These are kind words. We use them every day. Now, a little question for you. Tell me, what do you like to buy at the market? Do you like apples or bread or something else? Think about it. Say it out loud. I am listening to you. Well, my friend, that is the end of our little trip to the market. Thank you. Thank you for walking with me today. Thank you for listening and for saying the words with me. You did a wonderful job. I am very proud of you. Remember, learning English is like our walk today. We go slowly. We take our time. Little by little, we learn. There is no hurry. If you enjoyed this quiet time together, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a little like. It makes an old teacher very happy. Now go and rest. Have some tea. Maybe eat an apple. I will see you again very soon. Take care of yourself, my friend. Goodbye. Goodbye for now.